Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. You see what this is, right? What's Poppy gonna barbecue? You notice I'm burning the bag the charcoal was in. That's what we call shallow carbon. That's the carbon you can burn wood. Uncoated paper is good for burning. It's shallow carbon. It goes right back. It's a short cycle. It's that stuff that comes out of the ground. Petroleum. Petroleum bad. Coal bad. Natural gas bad. Unfortunately, there are some necessary evils in this life. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get these coals cooking. You see the ad, it says RCA. My wife finally got tired of her Android tablet. Especially since I give her a Windows 10 tablet for Christmas. The reason I give her that is because this one was getting worse and worse and less functional. This here is Royal Oak. All natural. When I spray it on here, it smells like I'm pouring bourbon in the campfire. It's non-petroleum charcoal lighting fluid. It smells like bourbon. Look at it real good. This is the last time it turns on. Yeah, that's right. I'm barbecuing an android. Don't no one tell Mr. Data now, okay? He might get unhappy with me. Come on. Catch up here, you. Burn! Burn! Yeah! Isn't it satisfying? Cool. Barbecued android. Isn't it glorious? Haven't you ever wanted to do that to something electronic? Now this, you see this nasty smoke there? That's from petroleum. That's the stuff you don't want to burn much of. Yeah, heat's not bothering my camera. Do it. There. Speaking of petroleum distillate, here we go. Have a little nap. Yeah. You think the battery caught now? Huh? Oh, I'm starting to see metal sticking out where it used to be hidden. Well, gang, that's what an RCA Android tablet looks like when it gets barbecued. Smelly, smelly. Pew, pew, pew.